Oh, okay, so hey everybody, welcome back to another vlog. Oh my, what is this? I just slept and I just found this book. Bro, what? What is this? Oh, it's Dogman. Brawl of the Wild. Wait, this was Dogman 6. What's really something special? Deep. Let's open this bad boy. I have no idea who gave it, who kept it or what. It has all of the Dogman. Wait, there's even Dogman 7, man. Guys, this is Dogman 7. It's written whom? I'll tell you later. It's written whom? Then I don't know. But I'll tell you later. But it is written. We have Dogman, Dogman Unleashed, Dogman and Tale of Cuckoo Kitten, Dogman Cat Kid, Dogman Lord of the Fleas, Dogman Brawl of the Wild, and in the Captain Prance, the Adventure of Captain Underpants, full colors, Captain Prance, and the Attack of the Talking Toilets, and the third one, full color Captain Prance, and the invention of the incredible naughty cafeteria ladies, like so on. Yeah. So I really want full Cameron Underpants and the precious plot of Professor Poopy Pants. Like, I just want it. Wait. Okay, so I traveled. Okay, next time I'll travel to UK and I'll kind of buy this book, a Lord of the Fleas, like so on, because I don't have Lord of the Fleas, Dogman Unleashed, or Dogman A Tale of Two Kittens, really, and yeah, so on. And is Dogman bad to the bone? Is Dogman bad to the bone? So, let's... Whoa, Flipperama. What Flipperama is this? I just want to know. Oh, it does have... Oh, it has a note. There's a note stuck. So, I'll just read it to you guys. Dear Thief, Hayo from Hollywood. We finally finished making the Dogman movie. Enclosed are 20 tickets to the red carpet premiere. See you there. Your Paul Yelay Capsis. Okay. That is totally so far. Good. Like, I don't know whatever is it, but oh my. This is a nice drawing. Guys, let's see how much chapter does it have, because I have no idea. What is this, guys? So guys, oh cool. You can see how many chapters does it have. It has chapter till 11. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, Yola, and I'll just read it. I don't want to read it, but because this is, look, I'll just show you how many pages does it has. It has a lot. It has 209 pages. So yeah, Yola. Bye.